Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Aqualair Sources, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our content. Now, today's video is something special. We're talking about Thanksgiving assistance programs, ensuring that everyone has a reason to be thankful during the holiday season. So, let's dive right in. Alright, so what exactly is Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is an annual holiday celebrated in the United States on the fourth Thursday of November. It's all about gathering with friends and family, expressing gratitude, and indulging in a delicious feast. But not everyone has the means to enjoy that feast, and that's where Thanksgiving assistance programs come in. Before we get into the assistance programs, let's quickly touch on the history of Thanksgiving. It dates back to the 17th century when Pilgrims and Native Americans came together to celebrate a bountiful harvest. Over time, Thanksgiving has evolved into a national holiday symbolizing unity, gratitude, and community. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the Thanksgiving assistance programs for low-income families. These programs are designed to provide support, food, and financial assistance to those who need it most during the holiday season. But why are these programs so important? Thanksgiving assistance programs play a crucial role in alleviating the financial burden on low-income families, allowing them to celebrate Thanksgiving without worrying about economic challenges. Now, let's dive into the specific Thanksgiving assistance programs. Alright, first up is the Salvation Army, a fantastic organization known for its commitment to helping those in need. During the Thanksgiving season, they offer a variety of assistance programs that truly embody the spirit of giving. One of the Salvation Army's initiatives includes providing Thanksgiving food boxes filled with essential items to ensure that families in need can enjoy a traditional Thanksgiving meal. They also distribute grocery baskets containing Thanksgiving staples, such as turkey, stuffing, and other essential items, ensuring that no one misses out on a festive meal. Additionally, the Salvation Army goes above and beyond by providing bill pay assistance related to Thanksgiving expenses, such as utilities. This allows families to focus on celebrating without the added financial stress. If you're wondering how to sign up for the Salvation Army Thanksgiving assistance, it's usually as simple as visiting their website or heading to your local Salvation Army office. Moving on to our next incredible resource, local food banks. These organizations play a vital role in supporting communities, especially during the holiday season. Local food banks often organize special Thanksgiving assistance programs, providing families with the necessary ingredients for a festive and hearty meal. Now, let's shine a spotlight on the local religious organizations that actively participate in Thanksgiving assistance programs. These organizations not only offer food support but also create a sense of community and support for those in need during the Thanksgiving season. And last, but certainly not least, let's talk about Meals on Wheels and the fantastic work they do during Thanksgiving. Meals on Wheels extends its services during Thanksgiving, ensuring that homebound individuals receive a nutritious holiday meal. This program is especially crucial for those who may not have the means to prepare a meal themselves. Before you apply, it's important to note that eligibility criteria may vary but often consider factors such as income level, family size, and other financial hardships. So, how can you apply? Well, it's usually as simple as filling out an application form provided by the respective program. Many organizations also accept online applications, making the process more accessible. And for those wondering how to get a free turkey for Thanksgiving, several programs, including food banks and local charities, offer them to families in need during the Thanksgiving season. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.